In the heart of the eastern Mediterranean, the mighty city of Constantinople stood resilient, a testament to the glory of the Byzantine Empire. Founded more than 1,000 years prior, it had weathered countless storms, but none as fierce as the one that was now poised to engulf it. For over a century, the Ottoman Empire, under the command of Sultan Mehmet II, had been laying siege to the city. The Byzantine Empire, weakened by internal strife and the relentless advance of the Ottomans, struggled to hold on to the last vestiges of its power. The year was 1453, and the city's walls, though formidable, seemed to groan under the weight of the Ottoman army. The air was thick with tension, the silence broken only by the occasional clash of steel and the cries of the wounded. Mehmet II, a man of ambition and cunning, stood before his troops, his eyes fixed on the city that he sought to claim. He knew that the conquest of Constantinople would not only solidify the Ottoman Empire's control over the region but also mark a turning point in history. The Byzantine Emperor, Constantine XI Palaiologos, was a man of courage and determination. He knew the odds were against him, but he refused to surrender without a fight. He rallied his forces, reminding them of the city's long and storied history, and the honor they would bring to their ancestors if they could hold out just a little longer. The battle that ensued was one for the ages. The Ottomans, fueled by Mehmet's fervor, charged relentlessly, while the Byzantines fought with the desperation born of a dying empire. The city's walls, though breached, held. But on the fateful day of May 29, 1453, a breakthrough occurred. The Ottomans, led by Mehmet himself, stormed the city's weakest point, the Tower of Janissaries. The Byzantines fought valiantly, but they were no match for the sheer numbers of the Ottoman army. The fall of Constantinople marked the end of the Byzantine Empire and the beginning of the Ottoman domination of the region. The city was renamed Istanbul, and it would remain the capital of the Ottoman Empire for the next 6 centuries. The consequences of the fall of Constantinople were far-reaching. The Ottoman Empire would go on to become one of the most powerful empires in history, shaping the course of the Middle East and Europe for centuries to come. The Byzantine Empire, once a beacon of culture and scholarship, was no more, its legacy forever etched in the annals of history. In the end, the fall of Constantinople was a testament to the power of ambition, the courage of the warriors who fought, and the inexorable march of history. It was a turning point that would reverberate through the ages, leaving a lasting impact on the world as we know it today.